right, we got a little quickie unboxing today. All right, we got a little quickie unboxing today here. This is kindly on loan from the handsome folks at Formex. I'm opening this in the car before work because it's the only time I actually have to pop this thing open and record it. Thus is my life. Woohoo! Hi, Jeremy. Here's some color. Thanks for trying out our latest collection. Have a great time, and let's catch up again soon. Marcus. Outstanding. The best adjustable clasp in the game. Oh, baby. Some strap-a-doodles to try out. Let's see the pretty. Oh, here it comes. Oh, hot stuff, baby. Oh, man. Oh, look at that. Oh, my God. Look at that color. Yellow. Oh, sweet Moses Malone. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're going to, that's just a very rich color. Man, it looks great. All right, so yeah, this one's gonna be up for review in about a week or so, I figure, and I'm gonna enjoy wearing it for a while, and then I'll be returning it to those fine people at Formex. Thank you again for the loan.